power of defensive driving, enhancing road safety for all. Defensive driving has emerged as a pivotal practice in ensuring road safety, significantly reducing the risk of accidents and fatalities. With an increasing number of vehicles on the road, the importance of adopting defensive driving techniques has never been more paramount. These techniques include maintaining a safe following distance, anticipating potential hazards, and staying alert to the actions of other drivers. According to recent statistics from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, regions that have incorporated defensive driving courses into their driver education programs have seen a marked decrease in traffic incidents. One key aspect of defensive driving is its proactive nature. Unlike reactive drivers who respond only after an incident unfolds, defensive drivers are trained to foresee dangerous situations and take preemptive measures to avoid them. This mindset encourages constant vigilance and adaptability, which are crucial in dynamically changing traffic environments. For instance, by observing subtle changes in surrounding vehicles' speed or direction, a defensive driver can adjust their own behavior promptly to maintain safety. Moreover, the benefits extend beyond individual safety. They contribute significantly to public health by reducing accident-related injuries and deaths. Insurance companies also recognize these advantages by offering reduced premiums for those who complete certified defensive driving courses. As communities continue to grow and roads become busier, spreading awareness about the power of defensive driving remains essential for creating safer streets for everyone.